I'm the Gadget Man here, and I'm going to be showing you this Potensic Navigator U36W drone here. Cool little drone. Alright, I've already got it powered on. You can control it with either your smartphone, with the Flying C app, or with its own device. I'm going to be using the phone first. It's got a video camera on it here. Nice little quadcopter here. So there's a button on here. You just press that button and it automatically launches. And put your fingers on there, and there you go. I'm going to go ahead and hit the video on it and take her away. There she goes. Turn her around. There I am. And press the down button. Down she goes. So it works pretty good. Pretty easy. Doesn't seem to quite have as much control with the app as it does with the actual manual controller here, but at least you can film. Okay, now I'm going to fire this up, and let's see. That works good. I'm going to go ahead and turn the video on, and let's go take off. I can fly it a little better with this. Go over there by my greenhouse. Oop, that's the battery alarm. You get about 8 or 9 minutes out of it. Let's try to bring her down. Battery alarm saying that she's running out of power. Got a little wind that I'm fighting here. Oh, almost. That's a lot of fun, man. That's a nice little drone. Got video on it and everything. So the phone app seems to work okay. But it's more responsive with the actual hand controller here. It has a battery alarm. It has a distance alarm. Let's give it one more try. Oh, there we go. Got a little more battery. And that's it. Yeah, you got about 30 seconds once that battery alarm goes off before she dies and goes to the ground. So might want to pick up a couple extra batteries to have more fly time. But it's a fun little device. Really easy to use, and I'm sure there's a lot more you can do with it, but you see how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Look down in the descriptions below for product links, and I'll see you next time.